Yan natin ng reaksyon itong napakagandang post ni Teo Moreno. 31 minutes ago na post niya. Ito, sina Teo Moreno, Sasasot, Crisette Laureta, Joey De Bebre, Dare to Us. Ang gagaling yung mga post nila. Mind opening o enlightening the minds. Kaya gusto kong expound. Title, They Hold the Smoking Gun Against BBM. Hawak nila ang susi o wag ng baril, susi para labanan. Sino yung dalawang tao ngayon na may hawak alas para labanan ang administrasyong BBM? Ito ipinaliwanag ni Teo Moreno. To summarize, walang iba kundi si VP Sara at saka si Senator Amy Marcos. Hawak nilang ebidensya para ma-impeach si PBBM. At paano ma-impeach? Ito, pakinggan natin itong point of view ni Teo Moreno at bahala kayo mag-comment kung agree kayo o hindi. Okay, sabi niya, they hold the smoking gun against BBM. Last year, in one of her press conferences, Vice President Sara Duterte boldly declared that her camp has identified 5 impeachable offenses committed by President Bongbong Marcos. Okay. Recently, she took it a step further. In a public speech, VP Sara revealed that the articles of impeachment are already prepared with 2 clear cases of betrayal of public trust. Number 1, Sugar Order Number 1 scandal. Number 2, the legal ICC arrest of former President Roddy Duterte. Here, where it gets even more explosive, both investigations were spearheaded by none other than Senator Amy Marcos, BBM's own sister. Sabi ko, ako dito ko na pinala. Malala ko, yung Sugar Order Number 1 talagang puno. Nandyan pa noon si Attorney Vic Rodriguez as Executive Secretary. At si Senator Amy pala ang nag-investigate. Hawak niya ang mga ebidensya. Ito na naman, illegal arrest ni PRRD. These are very clear grounds ng betrayal of public trust. Okay. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. So, meron pa. Aside sa Sugar Order Number 1 and arrest ni PRRD, marami pa. Amy Marcos has led the charge in exposing multiple scandals under her brother's administration that is culpable violation of the Constitution and betrayal of public trust, including, number 1, the unconstitutional People's Initiative used to manipulate charter change. Matandaan ko, siya rin ang nag-expose nito. So, pangatlo na ito. Number 2, the billions ACAP fund and other budget insertions signed by BBM but mysteriously absent from the National Expenditure Program. Agree. Another, the additional EDCA sites fast-track without transparency or public consultation. The Sugar Order Number 1, which reek of backdoor deals and deception. And most damning of all, the extraordinary rendition of a Filipino citizen, si PRRD yun, to a foreign entity, a blatant violation of sovereignty and public trust. So, ilan na yung grounds? PRRD's arrest, Sugar Order Number 1, additional EDCA sites, ACAP funds, and People's Initiative. 5. Ito na yung 5 impeachable offenses ng administrasyong ito. Okay. Let's be clear. Extraordinary rendition of a Filipino citizen without due process is treasonous. No spin can erase that fact. If you study the timeline, it's undeniable. The evidence to impeach BBM is overwhelming and already laid out. Eye-opener sa akin ito. Nandyan na nga, tama. Hawak lahat ni Senator Amy. Yung 5 grounds na nabanggit. Laid out. Okay, it's already laid out. And Ironically, much of it comes from the meticulous investigation of his own sister, Amy. The question now isn't whether BBM betrayed public trust, it's whether the Duterte camp will finally make the move and file the impeachment. Wow! Galing! Nandiyan na eh. So, kailan gagalaw ang mga Duterte? Kailan gagalaw sina Senator Amy? So, ito. The only way, this is the only way. Pag hindi ito mangyari, wala. The only way to make all this happen is simple. We need more allies in Congress. Correct. Kaya napaka-crucial ngayong eleksyon. Mga kongresista. Kaya ngayon umiikot si VP Sara. Kagabi, nasa Cagayan de Oro siya. The other night, sa Surigao. Last week, nasa Manila. Talagang puspusan. Kailangang maraming manalong kongresista na aliado sa mga Duterte, maraming senador na mananalo aliado ng Duterte para matuloy ang impeachment laban kay PBBM. Ito ang sinasabi ni Teo Moreno. The only way to make all of this happen is simple. We need more allies in Congress. On top of that, we must support Senator Amy R. Marcos just as VP Sara Duterte has openly endorsed her. These two women hold the smoking gun. Hawak nila ang susi na lang, hindi yung smoking gun. The evidence and the political will to dismantle the powers that continue to plague the country with the scandals, corruption, and betrayal of public trust. Wow, galing. So magbasa lang tayo sa mga comments. Basta agree ako lahat dito sa sinasabi ni Teo Moreno. Salute, Teo Moreno. Sana pagpatuloy mo ang ganitong pagsusulat. Glyza Labaro. VP Sara and Senator Amy are true patriots. It's not easy to stand up against powerful forces, but they are showing the courage and integrity we desperately need. If BBM really betrayed public trust, then he must face the consequences. I fully support these fearless women in their fight for justice and accountability. Okay? Ano pa? Marami akong nabasa dito na sabi, dahil dito, sa post ni Teo Moreno, bubutuhan ko na si Senator Amy. Maraming nai-enlighten ni Teo Moreno. Kahit ako. Noong una, ayoko nang butuhan si Senator Amy. Sa totoo lang. Kaya lang, nung in-endorse siya ni VP Sara, sabi ko, why not? Kasi I trust on the wisdom of the VP. So isinama ko sa aming sample ballot. Silang dalawa ni Camille Villar. Kung ayaw nyo pa rin kay Amy, Camille Villar, may another two choices. Hunasan and Kerubin, okay lang. Kung kanino kayo, basta ako, pamilya ko, kaibigan ko, Duterte plus Amy and So, kailan kung gusto nyong ma-impeach ang powers that be, magtulungan tayo. Duterte plus 2. Then, ang mga kongresista dapat maraming manalo para may pag-asa ang impeachment na uusad mananalo sa Kamara.